Alrighty, we've got the tire off. Haven't started the brakes yet. Just wanted to give a quick tip on your hubs. I'm gonna clean all that up so I don't get any debris or anything in between that and my tire when I go to put it back on. Also, it's not too bad around the lip. The inside of the rotor is still nice and clean, so shouldn't get too much, if any, noise from the brake once I put them on. Definitely need to clean all this grease up. Yeah, that'll be coming soon. I'm probably going to be doing a video on that as well. I'm going to redo the front suspension. Shocks are fairly new, so I'll probably leave those. Just uppers, lowers, you know, the main components. Man, I hardly ever get time to work on my own damn vehicles. It's actually nice to have some time to work on your own stuff. There's one thing when you're forced to work on your own stuff and if you break down or something like that, but just regular maintenance and stuff, it's hard to get to your own stuff when you got paying customers wanting all your time. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, just make sure there's no chunks or anything in there. Yeah. Real quick. Need to buy one of those attachments for my impact. Clean these studs up. Alright, looking a little better. I don't see any chunks of anything. Alright. So my bottom torque is wanting to be a little stubborn on me. This does extend, but I really don't have enough room to extend it. So what I like to do is I like to take my sledgehammer, get it nice and tight on there, and I just whack the wrench. So I'm going to try to set up and get a shot of it. Don't strip on me. Alright, didn't work. I don't like using these, but we're going to give it a try. Hopefully we don't round it out. There we go, we got it to break loose. Alright, I'm going to finish getting everything taken apart and then I'll be back shortly. Alrighty, brake pads are just about ready to come out. Got my clip down here, so I remember that clip goes at the bottom and the front. That means if we have a clip in the back, that one will go at the bottom, right in your front. Clip down here, right down here. This clip here, that's gonna go downward. Calipers on the opposite side, those will go on the top instead of the bottom. Alright, brake pads are ready to come out. I haven't checked yet if my brakes came with the hardware or not, but these look fine. I'll probably just take the wire brush on them and get them cleaned up before I put the new pads on. Let's get that up out of there. Alright. The brake pad just falls out. Not much life left on that one. That's the inside pad there. Yeah, outside pad was gone. As you can see, it started to wear there, and right around the lip, that's where this lip comes from here. Like I said, these look fine, so I'm just going to clean those up. Inside of the rotor looks fine, and we'll get the new pads all lubricated up, get the calipers pushed back in. We'll be back shortly. All right, we are all set for the brake pads to go in. Grab some lubricant, get them lubricated up. Let's get them in. As I said in the beginning, clips go at the bottom, so this will be our front brake pad. This should be our inside brake pad. Eventually I'm going to replace these studs with some updated regular bolted brake caliper bolts. I don't really like the Torx heads. You round these suckers out, you're in for a world of trouble. Normally I'll pull out my torque stick, torque these down to spec. It's a work vehicle, not too worried about it. As long as they're nice and snug and won't fall out while I'm driving. Alright, perfect. Alright, I'm gonna get this tire on. Do the same. Driver's side is all ready to go. push that caliper in. I'm gonna get the brake pads on now, then I'm gonna push the caliper in, get that all set up to go. Running out of daylight, so I'll probably start the rears tomorrow. Make that a whole nother video.